Hi, it's Neil. Welcome back to my office. And today I have this thing here. And what this is this is a 24-in-1, some sort of multi-tool thing. And it's a little tiny little thing here. And the interesting thing is I flew with it on the airplane in my carry-on stuff and it made it through there. So I guess whatever this is going to be airplane safe. So starting off with that. So let's check it out and see what's in there. Looks like it actually comes with two pieces. And so we'll start with this one here. And we'll check it out. So let's see, let's open it up here. And so what it comes with here is this little key thingy and a little keychain. So I guess I can put the keychain on the key thing. Man. Whew. Why is it not doing it? This is the hardest thing I've done in a long time. Oh man, if you look at it, here you can see it's got such a thick top part, and opening up this keychain, this one here was super tight. So, but there we go. So there, now it's there. And so what we've got on it is it comes with a little flathead. Where's my camera? It's over here. Okay, see, it's got a little flathead screwdriver right there. And then it's got a can opener. And I'm not sure what this section in here is for. And then it's got some little clip thing there and a little hole insert there. So it's got all these different little feature stuff. I'm not exactly sure what everything is for, but we'll play with it a little. And then it's got some sort of like little file on that side too. So it's got all these little features on it and it looks like a little key. So that's that part of it. And now let's see what the other piece is here. So this is the other thing here. It looks like one of those Chinese throwing stars or something. It's funny, they come in two different kinds of packages. This one here is like a little Ziploc bag, and this one here is, I think it must be like two separate companies that they got these things from. So let's open this up. This one here is nice and shiny, and it's not connected either, but this one here's got a bigger loop, so I'm guessing this one's gonna be easier to connect on. Let's see. I guess I gotta go. It's weird, it's backwards. I'm gonna have to use I can't use my thumb to open it up. This has got like a backwards looking thing, but whatever, I'm not even gonna do it now. So, okay, so check this out. So what this has is, so we'll start here, and it's got a Phillips head screwdriver. So you can see that right there. And then here it's got I guess it's kind of almost a flathead one. And then here's some sort of poking thing. And this one's got a little square kind of nut thing, and another square, bigger square, and an even bigger one. And then a big, huge hex kind of thing, and then an even bigger hex thing. So it's got all these different ones here. You can use it as a can opener, and it's got all these different little stuff like here. So this here, you could use it as like a wrench on something. So different size wrenches. It's got all these different little features, and then even a big, huge wrench there and there. So you can use it for all these different things. So this one's kind of cool. So it's a cool all-in-one kind of thing, and I'll put it on the keychain here too. So I'll do that right now. Why not? This one I can do. So here we go. So I've got it through, and you'll see this keychain isn't the best because when I opened it, it stayed open to get it over this big huge thing. But at least it was easier to do than this one here. This one here, I think because it was just small and super tight, it was hard to get on there. So, but this is what this one looks like. And that's the keychain there. I'm gonna put a link to these in the description so you guys can pick them up yourself if you want one. It was a set of two. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, so I can keep making some more videos and stuff, and I'm trying to get my numbers up. So subscribe and like this video too, because, you know, hey, of course, what's not to like? So that's it, and kind of cool. Actually, it's got a little measuring thing on the side of this one too. It's got all sorts of little features on these things. And so there's that. And if you really want to have a whole lot of stuff in your keychain, you can carry these things around, but I'll probably like put them on a carabiner and stick them in my camper or something. I don't know. So that's that. So thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and links in the description. Bye.